How to pair IKEA Styrbar. Hello everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how to easily pair your IKEA Styrbar. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. On that note, let's dive right in. So the very first thing that you have to do in order to pair is to make sure that your light source is installed and the main power switch is turned on. And once you do that, the second step is to hold the remote control close to the light source you want to add. That is, you have to hold it no more than 5 cm away. So you have to hold it really close to the light source. And after you do that, you just have to press and hold on the pairing button for at least 10 seconds and a red light will shine steadily on your remote control. Your light source will begin to dim and flash one time to indicate that it has successfully been paired. So once you do that, you can pair up to 10 light sources with one remote control. Just make sure to pair them one at a time. And if the light sources are close to each other, then you'll have to disconnect those that have already been paired from the main power switch. So that is how you easily pair your IKEA Styrbar. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.